we're gonna go ahead and get into this grocery haul. Starting, this haul is from Aldi. Starting with a case of water. Back here we have a ribeye steak, 2 things of salmon, have boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and a family pack of drumsticks. Got this pack of pancakes, mixed vegetables, 2 of these combination pizza snacks, 2 things of broccoli, some corn tortillas, a thing of Pop-Tarts, strawberry, thing of these mini muffins, brownies that my kids like to take to school as their snack, a thing of trail mix, assorted pack of fruit snacks. What are these? These chicken egg rolls, 2 packs of shrimp, rotini pasta, have a thing of butter, 2 of these nacho cheese Lunchables, got a thing of pancake and sausage, got a thing of red and green grapes, sour cream. I got actually 2 of these things of granola, excuse me, some bananas, a thing of corn dogs, some of these ground beef patties, freeze-dried mangoes, a thing of chicken broth, a can of salsa, a thing of honey buns, oatmeal cream pies. I got this family size of white cheddar snacks or crackers, whatever you want to call them, a thing of heavy whipping cream, a thing of vanilla almond milk, 2 things of strawberries, a bag of rigatoni pasta, hamburger buns, thing of soy sauce. I got this bottle of Pedialyte. My daughter already drank some out of that. Cranberry apple juice, a thing of syrup, grape juice. I got this almond non-dairy creamer in caramel flavor, and these caramel coconut fudge cookies. So that is the haul. We're gonna go ahead and get this stuff put away. Alright guys, so right here I'm just taking a wet cloth and a dry cloth and wiping down the refrigerator. I like to do this every time I'm putting new groceries in the refrigerator, just making sure everything is nice and clean before I put fresh groceries in. And I don't like to use a lot of harsh chemicals in my refrigerator just because this is where we put our food. So I use natural cleaning agents like vinegar. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe everything down and get to restocking.
Go to our favorite place, feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away, yeah, we're going away. You and me, feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low.
All right, guys, moving on to the pantry, getting it nice and restocked. In a couple seconds here, you'll see me restocking my pasta. I like to cut the instructions out of my pasta that I sometimes don't remember how to cook. Cut the instructions off and place it inside of the container. That way, you remember how to cook your pasta. So it's just a quick little fix, but we're gonna go ahead and get the pantry restocked, and then I'll show you guys the afters. All right, guys, we are done getting everything restocked. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the things off my refrigerator and get it wiped down with my stainless steel cleaner. This is the Wayman stainless steel cleaner. I really don't like the way this leaves my stainless steel looking. So if you guys have any recommendations for any stainless steel cleaners that you use and you think will be good on my refrigerator, please leave them in the comment section below. But we have reached towards the end of the video, and I just want to send a huge thank you to you guys for almost getting us to the road to 300 subscribers. We are almost there. So if you have not, please hit that subscribe button, hit that fat thumbs up button, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Let me know how you guys like the video in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, friends.